Okay.
I'm gonna text her now and tell her I'm very sorry.
Tell her that we're scared. Here, I got the right number now.
Okay, that was the right number. Okay. You know what? That was terrible.
Yes.
Hi, Emily?
Oh.
Okay. If you got it, okay, so you know who called before you? Just called you?
Yeah.
On your home phone? I'm very sorry about that. Thought that was your cell phone.
It's no big deal. I guess, whose number is this? And I'm like, oh, it's Erica.
Okay, because all of a sudden we just heard like a man's voice and started freaking out.
Okay, hold on just a second.
No, I don't want the man to come back. It was so scary.
I know. Oops.
Oh, I'm gonna tell her. No wonder she didn't get my texts.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that was terrible. We're making the other part of it yellow. I'm gonna make mine pink.
Well, because it matches the cupcakes.
What?
I told my dad, he's like, he's like, oh, okay. He's still laughing.
Wait, what did you tell him?
Oh, yeah.
What? Wait, what is it? I can't. Did Emily hang up on us? Yes! Wow! Okay, because
Whatever, let's get back to decorating sombreros.
yeah.
You know. What's up?
Do these cupcakes look Mexican to you?
Mm-hmm.
That was a scary time, Amanda.
That was scary.
I seriously thought we might have died there.
What if he was outside my window?
What if it was a hot guy outside your window?
Yay! You know.
I'm just gonna take the whole entire roll of duct tape.
Don't cover this whole thing in cupcake.
Why?
Because I'll waste it all. These things are like expensive.
I know. Duct tape is more expensive than you would think it would be.
No, it's because everyone's stealing our ideas now.
I know.
We brought duct tape to this world. I was making flowers in 2nd grade.
I know. I used to make duct tape stuff with my cousin.
People just need some new ideas to copy, right? Oh, you didn't tell her that? No wonder, like, she didn't get any of your messages.
Yeah. She said sorry, I guess, that she hung up. Maybe Emily's dad doesn't like us very much anymore.
Probably not.